The White Rabbit can't be late to this tea party because he's gonna be the cake. I have two 6-inch cakes. I'm just gonna level them off.
I'm going to pipe and alternate buttercream colors inside so it's a little bit more whimsical.
Time to stick it in the fridge. While our cake is chilling in the fridge, I'm going to make his ears so that you can set them aside to let them firm up. Now time to make the nose.
I'm gonna give our white rabbit a bow tie because we all know bow ties are cool. While his ears finish setting, I'm going to put some skewers behind them so they keep their shape.
Isn't the White Rabbit irresistible? We're doing a flash giveaway for this guy and you can win him. The draw will take place tomorrow night, Friday, March 23rd. All you have to do is subscribe and like and comment what your favorite Alice in Wonderland version is. Hop to it!